Camera chooser. Back. Stop recording. Button.
What's going in here? Yeah, we need to go that in there. Alrighty then, buddy. Buddy, I'm your friend. I'm sorry, I mean friend. Oh, looky there. Who's that? Well, howdy there. I'm just searching through the forest for some pineapples. I like pineapples. You gonna make pineapple juice? Yeah. Let's make some pineapple juice and some coconuts and I'm just searching for pineapples. Buddy, friend, we'd like to help you. You're more than welcome to. And I will give you all the pineapples you need. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. I like that. Where you reckon they might be? You can't see nothing in this daggone forest. You'll know it when you run into them. I ain't running nowhere in this forest where I can see. That's right, we don't run in forests, especially ones we can't see in. Well, I don't want you to run. I don't want you to run into anything. Because that wouldn't be good. No, sir, buddy. Now look at that horse there. Yeah, horse. Oh, it's got something on its back. Yeah, it's got some kind of harness thing on his back. Hold on, horsey. Hey, take that naked thing off of you there, honey. There you go. Oh, she's a female. You're a nice horse. I can't see you very well, but you can't really see nothing in this freaking dark forest. I'm kind of getting scared. Did you hear that? Oh, no. Oh! It's chains or something. Oh, worry. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't know what it is. I can't see it. Just have faith, man. Faith? Yeah. Just believe. You know the good Lord will take care of you. Oh, you walk through the valley of the shadow of darkness. You may have no fear. Yeah, it goes something like that, but okay, I appreciate it. That makes me feel a lot better. No problem, friend. Anything I could do to help y'all. Oh, I'm not seeing any pineapples over here. Was that you rattling and chaining? Those chains or whatever? No, I didn't rattle nothing. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, okay. Well, I think I found a pineapple. Oh, great. Let's make some pineapple juice. Sounds great to me. Let's lay down and get some rest. Good night. Good night. Good night, friends.